In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove phone number from Snapchat. So if you go to Snapchat and I go to my profile top left, click on settings, and as you can see, my phone number is here. I can just delete it and add a new phone number, and that's it. Click on save and confirm. But if that still doesn't help you, go all the way to the bottom, then click on I have a privacy question. Once you are here, scroll down, click on X so that it wasn't helpful, and then you can contact Snapchat yourself, or you can go to here, say Snapchat support, click on the first option, contact us, select whatever features you want just to get to the submitting a request part, and then write your username, email, and say, hey, I want you to delete my phone number and swap it with this one, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.